What's up? Let's talk a little bit about transitions. For those who don't know, a DJ transition is a technique that DJs use to move between songs. Personally, I love from mixing from one song to another, but I also love scratching into a song. It's a great way to showcase your skill set and express your style and creativity. In a recent video, we covered phrasing. In this tutorial, we're going to apply what we learned and scratch and transition into a song. We're going to start with the sound we all know and love, the 16-note rhythm. I say that because anytime I talk to somebody about scratching, for some reason, they always do the scratching motion in 16 notes. 1 E and a, 2 E and a. Enough with the jokes. We're going to scratch and drop on beat 1. The phrase will end on the of beat 4. Now that you know what we're going to do, let's go over the phrase. When we make the transition, it's important to drop on beat so the mix isn't off. You want the records to be in sync. If you're a little bit early or a little bit late, it's nothing to worry about. You can adjust the mix by slightly touching the record or center spindle. But when you make this adjustment, if you don't have a near perfect mix, meaning the BPMs aren't close or in the same range, the drums will start to clash and your mix will sound like a train wreck. Adjusting the mix on the fly might be a challenge at first, but you'll get better with it with practice. Let's keep it moving. There's a lot going on when scratching and transitioning into a song. If you're struggling, work on the phrase separately. Don't worry about dropping the record until you've got the phrase down. Once you do, work on dropping on beat. The goal is to make the transition as seamless as possible. In the meantime, practice that and get it as clean as you can, because we're stepping things up in the next video of this series. Links are in the description. Peace.